My name is Yanir Horowitz. I'm the owner of YanirTailorTours, a boutique tour operator based in Israel, specialized on tailor-made customized for the mid and up market and the LGBTQ as part of the IGLTA organization. My clients very much wants to know the destination. So I need to develop connections and contacts with business partners that understand the concept of tailor-made. Very much developing, understanding, making the right mind, let's say. So to pick up the right partner to the boutique hotels, to listen, to see who is more suitable. And in events like the ETOA, the Jam, there is this ability and the opportunity with the variety of the members to choose the right ones to the right clients. I can say that for a company like myself, a small niche boutique company, attending those dedicated events is very important, because then there is the ability to develop the personal connections and very much to focus either on the destinations that clients want and to see and meet people that usually not going to the big events like the WTM or the ITB or FITUR. So very much, therefore, I'm very much also choosing to attend those kinds of events, and especially being as a member of the ETOA, have the ability to use those kinds of event attending, and good for ETOA that decided to do such a dedicated event, not big one like they mentioned before.